welcome once more time. Today we're gonna make some tomato sauce. I already prepared a little bit for it. Today I came prepared. So what we have inside? We have inside some salt, around like this much salt. Then we have some pepper, like of this one, like it's you can scroll it and it's gonna give a little bit. Yeah, I make it like 4 times. It's not so much. Then we have some fresh basil. We have some garlic paste with olive oil, also a little bit, and olive oil just separately a little bit. That's what's inside of the containers. Then we have this pomodorella, which is tomato pulp, tomato sauce it says, but it's mostly tomato pulp. It's like 80% of tomato pulp. I cannot, it's not readable for y'all, but there is like onion, carrots, sugar, celery, basil and salt inside. But yeah, mostly it's tomato pulp, so no need to worry if you just use tomato pulp. You can do just the same as this one. But if you want to put some like things that I just said, you can also like cook it with the tomato pulp and mix it, blend it with, and then later just add this one to it. But yeah, that's, we just gonna put this tomato pulp inside and mix it. First of all, I just need to open it somehow, which I will do right now, straight away, which is not so hard. Just cut it a little bit, and you have some inside. I think, yeah, that's how it's gonna be. Let's check the pizza as well. Meanwhile, just rotate it a little bit. Why not? Right? Then we're gonna continue with tomato sauce. So yeah, as I said, if you just have a tomato pulp, you don't need to worry about like putting the other stuff that was inside of this one. It's just gonna give some more taste, but it's also fine without. Let's put the last one. Okay, that is how it is. Check the pizza. It's still not done. We're gonna wait for the pizza to be done. Eat some pizza, small pizza. Okay. The pizza is finished. There we have some vegetariano with the mushrooms, with the corn, with some what was it? Paprika, and I forgot the green one. What was it? Spinach. Yeah. Just gonna give it outside. Someone needs to take it. It's not for the customers outside. So I'm gonna put it later for you how I'm blending this, after blend probably. Okay guys, I'm so back. Now we've mixed, so now it's all mixed. Now we have something like this. Well, pretty much it. Now you're just gonna take like this much and then just spread it all around the pizza as I shown in the previous video. Maybe if you saw that, it says 18 to 10 something. No clue what this is supposed to mean. I'm so crazy. Well, yeah, then just covering this one and put in a fridge and enjoy. That's how we work. That's how it works. See ya in the next video.